Kate here with WTI, and if you're looking for a travel backpack, this beautiful backpack from RDTGO store is exactly what you need. So we recently came back from a trip and this backpack came with us everywhere. It's a really generous size, excellent if you need to take it on a long weekend. You can pack all of your clothes, all of your essentials in here. For us, we used it as our personal item on our flight. It does tuck nicely under the seat, or of course you can stow it above. It is packed with storage compartments. The main compartment opens all the way up, so very easy to load up your clothes. There's a front pocket with all sorts of compartments, all kinds of side pockets, hidden pockets. There's one in the back if you want to keep your passport or maybe your wallet nice and close. It has a pretty sheen to it, so this is listed as a woman's backpack, but in this black color, I feel like it's good for everybody. I also love how much padding it has, very comfortable. The back is nice and padded. All of the straps have a lot of cushion to them. There's also buckles so it can help support the weight. I love the zipper for my laptop. It slides right in there and I feel like it's very secure. The zippers glide nicely. This entire backpack is very well made, and of course it looks stylish too. As a nice little bonus, it comes with a duffel bag, and the best part is that it folds right into itself, so it's perfect to bring on the go. So if you're in the market for a travel backpack, this one is an awesome choice, and that's my point of view.